Toothless! Come back! No!
And now our little game must come to an end. Oh, don't feel too badly. You tried your best, but you are nothing without your dragon.
Toothless!
Did you see that, Dad? This one's a monstrous nightmare. Yeah. And this one's a deadly matter. Yeah. Not as deadly as me, though. Right, Dad?
Not nearly as monstrous either.
Woohoo! Yeah. Ha! What's wrong with him, Dad?
It fell from its nest and broke its wing. Oh, very sad. But these things happen, son. The only right thing to do is to end its suffering. Head on down the path.
No, Dad! No!
Hiccup.
Can't we help him? He's little like me. Can't we help him get better?
Fetch me a twig.
Okay. Here.
Well, now hold him. Very carefully. It's your responsibility now, son. You must feed him and care for him until he's able to fly free and return to the wild.
I will, Dad. I promise.
You're right, bud. It's time. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted, I didn't think about what you needed. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves. Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. That's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free. Go, Toothless. Go.